How to read deleted WhatsApp message or messages. How do you read deleted WhatsApp message? Have you ever been into a situation where somebody sent a message to your WhatsApp and before you could check it, the person deleted it, and you're feeling, wow, how I wished I saw what was written there? In today's video, I want to show you how to read such kind of message. Welcome, this is Profit Online Hustles. On this channel we talk on entrepreneurship, business, we talk about sales and marketing, we talk on content creation and every other thing that makes your journey a success online. So if you're a subscriber, if you're a returning subscriber, please, thank you for always coming back. Don't forget to like, share, make a comment. If you have question, please put it down. And if you are a new friend here, you are just coming to this channel for the first time, you are also welcome. Like, share, comment, ask your question if you have, and we'll respond very fast. So let's go. The first thing to do now is to go to your Play Store and download this app. Now you see this app here, Notisave. Just go to your Play Store, type Notisave and download it. Now when you're through downloading, then you open it. Now all you need to do is to next. Just continue with next and allow. You can see here now you can allow access by switching Notisave on. So next again, then look for the you can see it here, just here, allow. All right, so when you're through with that, then you go back and then allow to see it. So it's beginning to load some of its material together. It's beginning to put things together for you. So just wait a bit and let it finish. All right, from here now you can see notification from selected apps will be blocked on status bar. So just click on next, and then all apps, you can see notification from selected apps will be blocked on status bar. So just leave it like that because it's already off, they are not on. But if yours is on, you can put it off. Then when you're through with that, then let's go to the WhatsApp. Now let's see, let me check my WhatsApp. Let me check here. So let me use this as a case. Now I would send a message to the other one. I think I have something here that still reflects on my WhatsApp business. So let me just try good day. Now good day. Then let me go to the other WhatsApp. You can see the good day here now. You can see the good day. So so let me type another one. Get away. Now I'll send this one and then I'll delete it. Get away, delete for everyone. Now let's go and check the other one. You can see this message was deleted. So all we need to do now is to go to the Notisave app. Then let's look for it. Go to the Notisave app. Here is it. Now you can see we have messages that have just come in. Can you see here? Now all you will need to do is to look for the person that sent the message. You will see it here. You can see mine here. You can see mine here. Yeah. So let me check it. Can you see? Get away. Can you see? Get away. You can see it. So this is how to check if somebody, and no matter the message they delete, if you just go to the Notisave app, check the person that sent the message and then click on it, you can read what they sent to you and was deleted. I believe you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of video, please let YouTube also recommend it to other people by you liking it and then commenting on it. And don't forget, if you are new, please subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.